Today, I'm going to show you how to add multiplayer in your Gorilla Tag fan game. I did make a tutorial about this a while ago, but I'm just doing another updated version because I said I'd do that in my last video. So here it is. So first thing you want to do, there will be 4 links in the description. So make sure to, I just opened all of them. 1 is in here. The other 3 are in here. I just open all of them usually. But in your first thing you want to do, is go to the one that says Photon Pun 2. Okay, you might have to sign in or do something like that, I don't know. But just click Add to My Assets. So after clicking Add to My Assets, then you want to click Open in Unity, and then Open Unity Editor. And here, it'll bring you here, it'll say Pun 2 free. And then, what the heck? And then right here it says Import to Project. You want to click that. Then this should show up. Just click Import. And then when this pops up, just say yes, just for these files. Okay. After that happens, this pun setup thingy should show up. Don't X out of it yet. We're going to use it later, but right now I'm just going to put it to the side. And then here where it says Pun 2 free, right above it, it should say Photon Voice 2. If that doesn't show up, I don't know why I wouldn't, but there is another link in the description for Photon Voice 2, so you just have to click Open Unity Editor again. But it should just be right here, and then click Import. This will show up, click Import, or click All, and then Import. And then this will show up again, just say yes, just for these files. Alright, and then after that loads, what you want to do is you can X out of this now, but keep this here. Then go to the other link in the description that will take you to this page right here. And, Phasmophobia, that's cool. And then click sign up and then sign in to all the Photon stuff. And then once you are signed up, go to your dashboard and then click create a new app. And make sure multiplayer game is selected. And here where it says Fusion, click on that and then change it to Pun. And your application's name, I'll just call it Tut. How about Tut? And then click create. And so now as you can see right here, it says Tut, and there's an ID right here. Now you want to click create a new app again. Then here where it says Fusion, click on that again. And then this time make it voice. And then, I don't know, I'll just call it Tut again. And then click create. So as you can see right here on my pun for Tut, the one I just made, there's this ID right here. You want to take it and then paste it into here. And then click Setup Project. And then after you clicked Setup Project, there should have been a Close button at the bottom. Just click Close. Now you want to go to the next link in the description, which is Photon VR release thingy, the Unity package. If you click on it, it should download, and you could just drag it into your Unity assets. That should show up. Just click Import. Alright, now once that's imported, go to Resources, Photon VR, and then Prefabs. There's these 3 cube thingies here. Just drag each of these into the hierarchy. And then go to the one that says Photon VR Manager. And then here where it says Region, just type in whatever your region is. I live in the US, so I'm typing US. And then here where it says Player, where it says Head, open your Gorilla Rig and your Gorilla Player. And where it says Head, drag in the main camera. And left hand, do left hand controller. And the right hand, do right hand controller. And then here where it says Default Queue, make that default. Then here where it says Room Limit, if you're not paying for Photon, the most you could do is 20. So you can't do 21 or anything above 20. But I'm just going to put 10, I think. And then here where it says Connect on Awake and Join Room on Connect is when you pretty much means that when you spawn into the game, you'll immediately join a room. So if you don't want to immediately join a room, uncheck those. So now up here where it says App ID and Voice App ID, you want to go back to the page with the apps you made, and then for the app ID, you want to put in the pun tutorial app ID, which is right here. And then for the voice app ID, you want to do the one that you made for voice. So I'm going to paste those in really quick. And once you pasted both of those in the app ID and voice ID spot, then you are done. So that's really it with Photon. What I'm going to do is I'll show you that I connect to a room, and then I'm going to click play, and then a player model, a default player model should pop up, and that means that you're connected to a room. So if you go to scene, I'm just going to wait. Boom, here it is. Oh yeah, and if this shows up, click import TMP essentials. Oh, my bad. You can't do that in play mode. But as you can see, if I grab like the controller or something, it works just fine. And since you see the player model, that means that you did it correctly. And it connected to a room. But yeah, then when you're out, just click import TMP essentials. That's actually kind of important. And then you can exit out of that. And so yeah, that's how you add multiplayer to your Gorilla Tag fan game. And if you want, you can add like the computers to do the codes. I have a computer tutorial up on my channel. But yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.